We're gonna break this down by steps, and then we're gonna put it all together so that it flows. So here's by the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's T, together, open, together, T. The open position is using the eagle spread. So this is another skill we like to teach in class, where both of your toes are pointed out. When you're here, you can practice this position stationary. Just walk your heels up, try to hold it. It's gonna really open up your hips. You might feel some tension in your legs and knees. That's the middle position, the open, together, open, together, T. A modification that you can also do, if you wanna smoothen it all out and make it look really cool, curving the foot in between the T's. So T, drop the back toe and curve around it with this turn in position, and then bring that foot around into another T. And then we push back, I curve around it, T on the other side.
Tee me up, Tech. Tee me up, Tech.